spring cleaning checklist for homeowners. Protect your home. This spring. Spring is here, and spring cleaning isn't just about organizing. It's about protecting your home and preventing expensive repairs. Stay until the end, because one simple step most homeowners forget could save you thousands. Winter can cause hidden damage, so now is the perfect time to do a quick home check. Start outside. Inspect your roof for missing or damaged shingles. Clean your gutters to prevent water damage. Check windows, doors, and siding for cracks, and reseal any gaps. Inside your home, test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Look for leaks under sinks and around appliances. Replace your HVAC filter for better air quality and efficiency. Now here's the step most people skip. Create or update your home inventory. Take photos or videos of your belongings. This makes insurance claims much easier if something happens. And don't forget to review your insurance coverage. If you've renovated, bought new items, or added valuables, your coverage may not be enough. Spring cleaning is about more than tidying up. It's about protecting your biggest investment. For a coverage review, contact Klinger Insurance Group today at 301-428-4935. And if this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more homeowner protection tips.